All right, Atlanta, you see I'm on my bike. This is unacceptable with all this construction that's going on over here on the old 4th Ward. If y'all don't fix these streets, watch this. This is a problem. Look at that. I'm on my bike. This is detrimental to my health. If y'all don't fix these streets while y'all doing all this construction, we're gonna have a whole problem, Mr. Andre Dickens. Get your stuff together. This is a problem. If you're gonna do a major construction project like this, include the streets. And I'm not talking about patchwork. What is this? Fix this. What are you doing? Fix this foolishness. Use my taxes for something other than Cop City. How about that? We don't want Cop City. We want streets that we can ride on and walk on. Sidewalks we can walk on without breaking our necks. So reallocate my tax dollars to fix my streets, my bike lanes, since I use them. How about that? This is a problem. You got all of this brand new construction over here, and these streets look, they're awful. These streets, you just patch up the streets. What is this? And why do you think this is acceptable? You do stuff like this. So this intersection is all you get. Just that little corner right there, that's all you get of a new road. But this right here, what is this? A problem is what I call it. Fix this.